Jesus Christ, Dalai Lama, Albert Einstein, Anne Frank, Jackie Chan, Gloria Stefan, Ashton and Alien. What's the link? What can you see? All these motherfuckers are refugees. Where would the world be without these people? Open your hearts, are we